Hi there, this is my presentation video for week 12. This is my final demo of my website. I have all functionality completed and have gone through the alpha and beta stages and have successfully taken care of any bugs. So let's go ahead and log in. Now I'm going to go ahead and show the invalid login pop-up. So you'll see I copied the password, but the username is wrong. The username is supposed to be sfogel. So when I hit login, it says invalid username or password. So if we actually put in the correct information, then it will log us in properly. Once I'm logged in, I can go ahead and jump over to the timesheet. Here we can do things like add hours that we've worked, update entries, delete entries, and look up previous hours. So let's go ahead and update an entry. We can change the hours, 2-hour lunch, change what the words say in the activity, and then submit it. And then we can see that it changed there. We can delete something. We'll just delete that one. Now it's gone. If we go to submit hours, we can add a day. Today we started at 8 and we had an hour lunch. Then we got out at 4. And then activities, submit, and we can see it's been added. We can also view our previous hours, which looks up the previous date, and you can tell from the month there. If we go to tasks next, we can have the similar functionality. We have the ability to add tasks, update them, and delete them when they're finished. So if we want to update, we can go in, change the description, and then submit it. And see it's changed there. We can delete one of them. Now it's gone. Can add a task, and all of this is updating in our database as well. And then add a description and submit it. And you can see it there. Now we can go over to forms. We can see that there are 5 entries. Then if we go to enter a form, we can put in our name, our email, the date, and the issues that we are facing, and submit it. And we can go over to view forms, and we can see that it's there. If we click home, we can go back to home, we can navigate through the website, and then we can ultimately log out, which takes us back to the login page. Then we have our forgot password functionality, so you put in your username, and if we jump over to our actual database, we can see our password is that, but we've just changed it, so if we refresh, we can see that it's now changed. So if we go over and use our new password and log in, we can see that it logs us in. We can go ahead and log out. And we can go ahead and check our Gmail. That's the email that's registered to my username. So it's in my spam folder, so if I go over to spam, we can see reset test, password reset. We received your request to reset your password. Your new password is the same as we saw in our actual database. So it's updating correctly. And one last thing I would like to show is the actual database. I didn't really show it during the earlier parts of the video. So if you want to go ahead and take a look at tasks, we can see that the 2 tasks from earlier are there. And then we also have our submissions for Form A. Keeps track of the employee that submitted it, name, email, date, and the issue. And then our work hours, you can see my employee ID is 1, and we have all of my entries for this month and last month's, and all the things I did that day. And then we also have the sessions, and what this is every time we log in, it creates a new ID for our session so that we can securely log people in and out and keep track of who uses it, basically. So that's it for my presentation. Thank you for watching.